3D printing has become, for good or bad, all about AI, fast print speeds, color printing, and wasted filament. But what if we could harness all of that into one system? 7 colors, 8 seconds between color swaps, and no waste.
Sounds like a dream come true.
Love them or hate them, you have to admit that Bambu Lab has shaken up the whole world of 3D printing. And 2025 is rapidly, at least to me, it's becoming the year that we may look back on and say, that's when it all started. First, I want to talk about the Bambu Lab H2D. And to this point, it's probably one of the most talked about Bambu 3D printers of 2025. Now, you've probably seen a lot about it online, and rightfully so. It's dual nozzle, it's a powerhouse built for multi-material 3D printing. There's 2 hot ends, and they're mounted side by side, ready to print different colors or materials. It also has extras like a heated chamber up to 65 degrees Celsius, a 350 degrees Celsius hot end for engineering filaments, and there's optional tools like a laser cutter, a laser engraver, even a pen tool for drawing. Cameras and sensors are everywhere. There's bed leveling, nozzle cams, and AI error checking. Starting at $2,000 roughly for a printer like this, the H2D is one of the best dual nozzle printers out there, and it's my go-to for most prints, big or small. Why? Reliability, ease of use, and speed. Especially speed. Printing 1, 2, or 5 colors, having one nozzle dedicated to the color that gets used most, well, that's going to cut print time around 25% or more. And that also means less wasted filament. And the AMS2 they introduced with it, well, that system makes it even better. One frustration I really had early on was the build plate area. I've looked online to verify and can't find it now, but I'm positive when the H2D came out, they were saying it had a build area of 350 by 320 by 325 millimeters, and that's the actual size of the build plate. But that's not what you can print. With the dual nozzles, you're going to lose about 25 millimeters on either side. And while it's not a big deal, hey, 25 millimeters still 25 millimeters. And that could be the difference in printing a large print in one piece or 2. But all that being said, that Bambu H2D 3D printer has, hands down, become my favorite and most used machine. Well, next is the Bambu H2S, and this just came out. Think of it as the H2D's single nozzle sibling. It launched in August 2025 at $14.99, the most affordable H2 so far, and here's the kicker, the H2S actually has the largest build volume in Bambu's lineup, and it's 340 by 320 by 340 millimeters. Everything else is very similar, if not identical, to the H2D. There's a heated chamber, 350 degrees Celsius hot end, and same sensors. And the trade-off, well, one nozzle only. Now that means if you want multi-material printing, you're back to using the AMS, which still involves purging and some filament waste. What if you don't have a 3D printer, but you really want to get some stuff 3D printed? Well, that's where today's sponsor comes in. PCBWay. And they make it simple. Create your own STL or even download one from your favorite site and then just upload it to PCBWay. Choose your material and they'll 3D print it and mail it right to your door. For September, they're even offering up to 80% off 3D printing with flexible TPU materials, so it's easier and cheaper than ever to get your own custom 3D printed shoes or whatever. They even offer CNCing and more. I'll have a referral link in the description to take you straight to the site, and occasionally they tack on a discount, so it's always a great time to check out PCBWay and see what you can make. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The H2D released in March 2025, the H2S just released in August 2025, then in late August, Bambu announced even more for 2025. By the end of the year, Bambu Lab plans to release the H2C with the Vortek system. And this could be huge for dual material and multicolor 3D printing. Now, all this info comes from a really slick ad video they put out. And a helpful but limited blog post. And I'll have links to both of those in the description. It has 6 different hot ends, and they can be swapped in and out magnetically. Now that means no purge, no priming, no waste, a true filament saving printer.
Yes! Well, now I want it.
Well, except that I want it.
Well, I want it though.
No, I want it. I want it.
The Vortek system also provides wireless power and data to each one of those hot ends. Another standout feature is induction heating. And unlike other 3D printers, you won't have to wait minutes for the nozzle to heat. Just 8 seconds. No wires, no screws, just one fixed hot end, plus up to 6 swappable ones. And true multicolor or multi-material printing with no waste. What if you already own an H2D or an H2S? Well, there's good news and not so good news. The good news, well, there's going to be an upgrade path. You won't need to buy a whole new printer. The not so good news, it's not a quick bolt-on thing. It's going to take some real tinkering. For most users, waiting for the H2C out of the box, it's going to be a whole lot easier. But if you're willing, upgrading your H2D to an H2C should be possible. They did mention the H2S. It's going to be possibly even harder, but I'll be looking into getting that installed on my H2D as soon as I can.
I want it. Stop!
So here's the big picture. For $1,999 for the H2D without the laser and everything, you'll get dual nozzle versatility right now. For $1,499 for the H2S, well, you're going to get the largest build volume with a single nozzle at the lowest price. And then for the H2C with Vortek, plus those Vortek upgrades for the H2D and possibly the H2S, that promises purge-free multicolor printing. Well, there's no confirmed price or release date at this point, although they are saying that it should be ready by Christmas 2025.
But I want it now!
No matter which way you go, Bambu is definitely pushing the boundaries of what I think is possible in 3D printing. And that's why I believe the Vortek system, it's not just another upgrade. This could really redefine how we think about multi-material and multicolor 3D printing. What do you think? Is it too soon to announce the H2C right after the H2S? Is it too good to be true? Well, let us all know in the comments, and please subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And as always, learn, create, and amaze.